consecrated, Lord, to Thee. Take my hands and let them move at the end.
Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from any part of the world where they listen to me today from. My name is William Slowly, and I bring una the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens devotional na daily message book where the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye writes. Today na Wednesday, 13th November 2024, and our topic today na Dead Man wey dey waka. Our memory verse dey for Phillipians chapter 3 verse 19. Dem go end for hell, na their belle be the God wey dem dey serve. Things wey suppose make dem shame, na im dey make dem happy, and na only things of this world dem dey always think about. Our Bible reading dey for 2 Timothy chapter 3 verse 1 to 4. Make you understand say for the last day, before this world go end, things go hard well well. People go dey think of their self alone, dey like money, dey boast, dey carry shoulder up, dey talk bad things about God, dey disobey their papa and mama, and dem no dey thank evil people wey do good for dem. Dem no get love or forgiveness. Dem go dey gossip others and dem no fit control theirself. Dem go dey wicked and hate wetin good. Dem go betray their friends, dey do things before dem think. Dey feel say dem dey important and dem go love enjoyment pass God. Now the message. But if you just dey enjoy himself anyhow for this world, that one mean say him spirit don die even though you still dey alive. Na for 1 Timothy chapter 5 verse 6 this one dey o. Even though those people wey dey live for enjoyment dey live normal life, the reality be say dem don die and dem no know. Dis kind people na only enjoyment for this life dem dey look for up and down. Dem no get control at all. In fact, dem be like zombie. Zombie na something wey no get im own mind. Wetin dey control am na im belle. E just wan chop anything, and na person wey dey waka but e don die. If everything wey dey drive you na things wey go give your flesh enjoyment, e mean say na your flesh na im dey control your spirit be that o. And this one mean say your spirit don die. You need to get full control over your life. No allow sleep to dey control you from working. No allow food to dey control you from fasting. The main thing wey go make you get full control for your life na to dey discipline. The things wey discipline go give you plenty pass wetin indiscipline go give you o. Person wey like enjoyment pass anything go die as poor person, because Bible tell us for Proverbs chapter 21 verse 17 say people wey dey always dey spend their money take drink and shop anyhow no go ever get plenty money. Nobody fit achieve anything wey great for this life due to excess enjoyment all the time. Anybody wey do this kind thing go come this world and e go just comot for the world and nobody go recognize am. So be person wey love enjoyment well well bad o, because Bible talk for 2 Timothy chapter 3 verse 1 to 5 say make you no be friends with those people wey be say na only enjoyment of this life na im dem like. E talk say make you leave dem because dem like money and their self pass as dem love God. Tree no dey ever eat im own fruit. E dey there to say provide for other people need. Na the same way God take create people to impact other people life and contribute positively to society. God no create human being to serve their self alone o. When some people dey talk about self-love, wetin dem dey really talk about na selfishness. If you wan really live, then you must impact those people wey dey around you. Anyone wey dey live for only himself don dey die small small. The best way to take impact those people around you na to bring them comot from darkness come the light of Jesus Christ. Na the true essence of Christian living be this o, because dem choose you to bear fruit. We go see this one for John chapter 15 verse 16. My brethren, make sure say you continue to dey truly alive, as no be say na only your good you dey look for up and down, but you dey also look for the good of other people. The main point for today's message be say you no dey alive if you no dey make positive impact on those people wey dey around you. I thank una as una lis ten to the open heavens on the go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.
Take my lips and